This morning is off to a very hazy start. You'll notice a lot of that moisture as you head out the door. We really can't even see much past our WREX camera. You can make up a little bit of that sunshine. These are the trees right in front of it, but otherwise we can't even make out the road. We'll continue to see this dense fog this morning. In fact, there's a dense fog advisory in effect for a few counties. That does include Carroll, Whiteside, Ogle, Lee, and DeKalb County, mainly to the south of I-20, but still seeing that fog as far north into southern Wisconsin, something we're seeing here on visibility. Down to about under a mile, looks like for Freeport, under half a mile near Sterling, just a mile for visibility near Rockford. Definitely give yourself some extra time for that morning commute, some space between the car in front of you, and remember the low beams, important today. That fog will dissipate later as our air quality also continues to improve. As of right now, we are at those unhealthy levels for sensitive groups. That's the orange you're seeing. Moderate air quality already starting to move in for most of us. So we'll continue to see those improvements later today as we also have a chance for a brief shower. Taking a look at future track, most of the day stays dry, but we do have that chance later this afternoon. This is before 5 o'clock. Doesn't last very long, quickly exits. Might see some showers linger into southern Wisconsin before we end up seeing another chance potentially into tonight with more dry time expected early into Saturday. If you are heading out to City Market later today, make sure you're staying hydrated. It's going to be a hot and humid day today, near the 90s, dew points up into the upper 60s. We will end up slowly dropping, but still into those mid 80s by 7 o'clock. Might even notice a light breeze. We do have that chance for brief showers, so keep that in mind for any Friday plans. Flirting with the 90s, definitely going to be a steamy one for our Friday. We drop back into those mid to upper 60s overnight. We still have a chance for a few storms to roll through, but a better one comes in this weekend. Parts of the area under a 1 out of 5 for severe potential. This mainly concerns those south of I-20. If any storms become severe, damaging wind gusts and hail will be the biggest concern. Let's take a look at future track. Lots of dry time in the morning on Saturday, but it does look like we see some showers and thunderstorms rolling in. Here's about 4 o'clock. Then we see that threat remaining a little further south near I-88. Might see a couple showers and storms overnight and even some rain into your Sunday. Otherwise, get ready for a very warm and humid Friday. We drop into those mid to low 80s through the weekend as that activity moves in. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we look to dry out and warm up just in time for both Monday and the 4th of July on Tuesday. Get ready for another steamy day into next week before more active weather arrives. Manny.